Greetings everyone! Welcome back to my channel! It's Gabby here! So it was a surprise, eh? And what are you gonna do today? So I am going to make dessert in a glass. Yes, dessert in a glass. Why not? It looks so lush, fancy, and easy to make. So what's the name? I am going to make a fresh mango cheesecake parfait. Yeah, you heard it right. Cheesecake parfait with mango. Yeah. So we have our beautiful mango here. Woohoo. So, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do it from the scratch. Yeah. So let's carry on. Yeah. Ooh. So here's our ingredients. I have mango here. I have mangoes. I have biscuit crumbs, heavy cream, cream cheese, and instead of sugar I am using condensed milk, but of course you can use sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, guys. And I have some almonds here just for garnish later. And of course I have my glasses here where I can put my dessert. Yeah, so first I'm gonna do is to take out the meat of the mangoes. So I'll show you, of course. So I'm gonna put this one side first. Yeah. Plate. I need this one because we're going to puree it, okay? Hopefully it's good. Hopefully. Perfect, it's good, guys. Look at the meat. I still want to take this one. Still has some meat here. Yeah, okay. And here we can put this one here. Take out the meat with a spoon. Just mash it until you are satisfied with the result that is pureed. Yeah. So we have a puree mango here. Okay. Look at that, it's beautiful. Looks so beauty, isn't it? Okay, so let's carry on to our cream cheese mixture. You have the heavy cream here. Heavy cream. Right. So the heavy cream is ready. We can drop our cream cheese already. Yeah. And also the condensed milk. level it now. We have some corn biscuits here, our mango puree, and the cream cheese mixture, and of course the glasses. Yeah. Right. So let's go with the biscuit first. Cream. So we try to be very careful so it won't mess around. Okay. And the mango puree. And a little bit of almond here for the garnish. Yeah, and this is the first one, but you guys, if you like to have like a layer, like if you want to have more layer here, of course we can do that as well. So I will show you, of course. Just thin the layer, so if you want to put more, yeah, and put some mango puree. Again, put another layer. There you go. And of course put your mango on top. A little bit of crumbs. And some almond for garnish. Yeah? Okay, look at that. Yeah, as easy as it gets, as easy as like that. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna put another layer here in our another glass, of course. So if you like sweet, it's your preference again. So you can put more condensed milk or sugar if you want. But of course, it's homemade. You have all the control if you don't like so much sweet, because the mango is sweet already. And you too are sweet, so right. Okay, and layer. Isn't it beautiful? And a little bit of crumbs. Isn't it looking so fancy? You make it as easy as like that. Yeah, there you go. Your glass dessert. Yeah, so we still have, so I still continue doing it, of course. So here is the result. Look at that. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, looks good. So As easy as like that, guys. You can have your dessert in a glass. Yeah. And it looks so fancy, looks so posh, and yeah. You can make it. You can make it. And of course, like I would really happy if you guys have an idea and it comes from me. Why not? So enjoy making it, and let me know, of course, in the comment box below. So guys, here you go. There is your Mango Cheesecake Parfait. Yes, isn't it nice? So there is it. Look at that. Yeah. So on this one is just a layer. Look at that. And just keep it in the fridge 3 hours or overnight. Way better. Okay. So but if you think it's just like so boring, okay, I'll show you also a tip of garnishing it. I have some mint here. Mint, you cannot go wrong with mint. Yeah, so look at that. To make it pretty, it looks beautiful. Yeah. So it's better. Looks better. Do you like it? It's nice, and we also have some passion fruit here. Try whether it's good. Yep, better. Okay, you can open like that here. It's for garnish, yeah. So. Beautiful. Or you can also chop up some mango and just cut it into dice, and you just put it on top, and then a little bit of mint leaves. It goes well already. Look at that. So guys, there you go. That is our dessert for today. Hope you guys will try it. Yeah. So. Thank you so much for joining again. This is Gabby here. And I will see you again in my next video. Bye everyone, and thank you so much. Bye.